Yeah, Megan did a good job. She applied the jib sail.
I tipped it.
When we went ahead and tacked, she went ahead and took the lines and cinched it, did a good job. So, I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but yeah.
I'm a jibber.
We're headed up the coast now, up the point at Point Loma. Sail's in the way, but there you go. Now you can see it. Point Loma. We're just gonna go up the coastline a little bit. When do you think you're gonna feel good enough to go up and get the rope?
Probably in a few seconds.
Okay.
You're recording me.
No, I'm not.
I can't see it on the front.
I haven't recorded it for long. How do you feel?
Why don't you go up there, my dear?
Poor dear sweet Cali has been throwing her guts up on deck. We've been cleaning it up, and she's not doing very good. She's down there, poor little thing. But you know what? You know what? We're getting her acclimated to the sailboat and boating. This is a good first experience for her, and Megan's loving her life too. After seeing that throw up and clean it up, she ain't doing so. Yeah. Megan wants everybody to know that she's miserable. She's miserable because she's a little seasick. It's understandable. It's not a very good feeling. Get that good. Pointed at the point. Little baby Cali decided to throw up all over. Little thing, bless her heart. She's not a sailor yet, but she'll get there. And poor Megan, we're just trying to clean this up, and she doesn't feel very good either. It's just nasty. Nasty, nasty. Feels better. Nope, not that. Well, I mean, we could. I just wanted the actual ties themselves. They're both colors, yellow and Cali girl, are you happy that we finally made it and we're not like out on the big deep blue sea anymore? Cali, look at yes. Are you excited and happy? I think you are. So we made it to our mooring area where we're gonna spend the night out on the sailboat. Right in front of Coronado Island. Behind me. Del Mar's hotel is down further that way. Behind us. But all the other sailboats are moored behind me. In Point Loma. You can hear the foghorn going every 10 seconds. But, it's nice. Alright, got the beds all set up down below decks. We were going to sleep up in the top compartment, but on this boat it is very small and tiny and the airflow is non-existent. So we decided not to. So we went ahead. These sides have lots of room and the leg space to go way back, which is kind of nice. So it fits us quite nicely, and then all of our other stuff's gonna be here. We put a bunch of other stuff underneath, life jackets and everything, put the hatch side on there, and yeah, we just kind of made a nice little sleeping quarters for tonight. We are successfully moored outside of Coronado, like I said earlier, and we haven't moved, so that's the big key ticket. So we did good. When we set the anchor in, it's set and held. That is really awesome. Cali, well, she's just rocking back and forth with the boat. She's not very happy, but you know what? She'll get her sea legs to her eventually here. But it's just very beautiful, as you can tell. The sun just basically set behind Point Loma, actual hilltop, and it looks great. It is super nice out here. Temperature is pretty nice and cool. It's been a good evening. Anchor's holding good, whatever we got it stuck on. There's quite a few people over at that boat.